Hello students, let us see the last and very important part of this skit. What happens next? Pandit Shahane walks up and down in deep thought. The onlookers give sly smiles. Finally, Pandit Shahane throws up his hands, means he gives up the challenge. One who put forth the challenge and he had to give up the challenge. It was due to Tenali Raman's tricks. Pandit Shahane now continues, I give up. 1,000 apologies. Your Highness, I have not read the scripture that Tenali Raman mentioned. I concede. I concede means mere admit. Concede means admit defeat. Tenali Raman is the greatest of all scholars. Bows and he exits. Emperor looking at Tenali Raman. See, now Tenali Raman gives explanation. Emperor says, I am proud of you and grateful. Grateful means thankful. Saving the reputation means dignity and honor of our great empire. Let me reward you. Tenali Raman, smiling and bowing. Your words of praise are my greatest reward, Your Highness. Emperor, but tell me, Raman, to what great work did you refer? Tenali Raman opens the bundle and removes a bundle of sticks tied with a thick coarse rope. Coarse means rough rope. Tenali Raman continues, Maharaj, तीळ. तीळ is means what? तीळ is sesame. जे काय आपण तीळ म्हणतो ना त्याचे आहे. Kasta. Kasta is a stick. So, तीळ kasta refers to the sesame sticks of or stems of sesame plants that you see in my hands. Pointing to the rope. This is a rope used to tie off buffaloes. That means Mahisha. Mahisha means buffalo. Bandhana means what? Is the rope which is used to tie up something. So this is the Tila Kasta Mahisha Bandhana. Emperor laughing loudly. So the Pandit got scared when he heard such a complicated name. Laughs again and everyone joins the laughter. The skit is over, students. Let me see the marginal questions. See, in the first page also, several marginal questions are given. What announcement unnerved the courtiers and pandits? Because that Pandit Shahane is going to challenge all the pandits of Vijayanagar, and that unnerved the courtiers and pandit. And next, what suggestion was proposed by the first scholar? He suggested that Tenali Raman should be given the chance to debate with the Pandit, means debate the visiting Pandit Shahane. What was the condition put forth by Tenali Raman? He told that he should be named as the chief of Pandits for one day. And next thing is, how did Mantriji introduce Shahane? Mantriji introduced Shahane with proper respect as per the protocol of to be given for chief of Pandits in a kingdom. How did Tenali Raman make his entry to Emperor's court? He made his entry to the Emperor's court as chief of Pandits. What scripture did Tenali Raman wish to debate upon? It's really interesting. Tila Kasta Mahisha Bandhana. Next, see the last part. Why was Pandit Shahane defeated? Because even though Pandit Shahane read thousands of scriptures, but he was unable to understand the simple trick put forth by Tenali Raman. That means Tila, Kasta, Mahisha Bandhana. This implies that we have to use our brain power when we face this type of difficult condition, that we have to learn from this lesson. That means Pandit Shahane would be successful because if he understood the names Tila, Kasta, Mahisha and Bandhana, simple these words, if you know the simple Sanskrit, you can understand the meaning of this, whatever he said, Tila, Kasta, Mahisha, Bandhana. What explanation did Tenali Raman give about the name of the strange scripture? The same which I have told now. Tila means what? Sesame. Kasta. Kasta means sticks of sesame plant. Mahishabandhana, and these sticks have been tied up by the rope which is used to tie the buffalo. That means, students, how it is interesting. You also try to write this type of humorous skit. How did the emperor and courtiers react? The emperors and courtiers were very happy because Tenali Raman was successful in defeating Pandit Shahane. That's all, students. In the next video, I am going to upload exercise of this lesson.